Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to learn about how to add song in Canva. For that first step, you have to open your preferred browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com and it will lead you to a home page of Canva. And here on the top right corner, you can see create a design button. Click on it and choose your required template. Here I am choosing YouTube thumbnail. Now after that, you can see different options on the left side, and here you can see uploads option. Click on it. Now click on audio and you can click on upload files and choose your required sound. Now click on open. After your upload is completed, you can simply drag this audio into the screen, and here you can see that the audio has been added in your Canva project. Now to add a song, there is another options as well. For that, you have to click on this apps option. After that, click on the search bar and type in embed. Now click on this first logo, and here you can add a song from Spotify, YouTube or any other platform in your Canva. Now for an example, I'll copy the link from the YouTube and paste it here. Now after that, click on this add to design, and here you can see that you have successfully added a song on your Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.